Hi everyone! Today from my kitchen I'm going to show you an easy and super delicious recipe. I'm going to make Nutella brownies in super easy way. So let's get started with the ingredients. First we need unsweetened cocoa powder, we need eggs, we need dark chocolate, we need Nutella flour, we need brown sugar. Also you can use white sugar, regular sugar, and we need butter, unsalted butter. And we need vanilla. You can use the powder one or the extract one, the liquid. So let's get started. First I'm going to do, I need to start melting the chocolate. Here in a bowl I'm going to add the chocolate with the butter. I'm going to melt them in a really easy way. So I'm going to put them in the microwave for about half a minute and then stir them a little bit, and then half a minute, and then mixing them until they melt. Alright. Okay, this is 30 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to put them half a more minute. That time I'm going to prepare. Here I have a brownie tray. So I'm going to put at the bottom baking paper. Okay. All right, that's fine. Okay, just put this one separate and this one, and I'm going to start melting the chocolate. Okay, so in that time I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to add the sugar. This brown sugar smells so yummy. I'm going to add the Nutella. Now I'm going to add the egg one by one. Okay, mix. Another one. Whoopsie. And the third one. I'm going to add the vanilla. I love vanilla powder. They smell so strong and yummy. Vanilla sucre. Alright, cocoa powder. finally flour. Okay, I don't need this one anymore. I'm going to use the spatula and mix the ingredients very good. The butter should be thick, not liquid. Whoopsie. Alright. Now I'm going to pour the mixture here. Okay, spread them. So they're not going to double size. Alright, so as I said, the butter should be like so, not very liquid, not liquid, should be thick. Okay, so after I preheated my oven, as I said, to 180 Celsius, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bake the brownies for about 30 minutes and see you after that. Okay guys, here we go. This is after the brownies finished from the oven, so I'm going to flip it over like this and then add chocolate on top. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so what I'm going to do, here I have chocolate ganache. Okay, so I'm going to add ganache on top. It's so simple. All right. Now I'm going to cut the brownies into small squares. Okay. Perfect. Wow. Here I have icing sugar. So I'm going to take the heart shape and then put it here. And then, or let's start from here. And then sprinkle some icing. Wow. Uh-oh. And here I have, this shape. Right. and I have the star here. Let's take these first. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. Look at the brownies. Nutella brownies. They look so beautiful and they taste so yummy. This is the brownie from inside. It's so delicious. Wow. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. Bye.